I'm Pietro, founder of YUSH, and we're based in UAE with a subsidiary in Italy. Let's say that everything starts when I met my co-founders, Elena and Jana. They both have started a shoes entrepreneurship journey, but for me shoes were all the same. So I say to them, why don't we start something different? Why don't we apply technology in order to be different? And that's why I started. Let's say that we have rings, smartwatches, everything is wearable. Shoes are maybe the most wearable thing, but they have no tech inside. So that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to put science and technology inside the shoes, trying to connect luxury and wellness together. We don't want to make only med-tech shoes. We would like to make luxury shoes, everyday shoes with technology inside. Basically, YUSH is a 3D printed insole that we can integrate into a unique luxury shoe. We started with high heels because they are the most dangerous. And basically, we are providing electrical stimulation. There are electrodes inside connected with your app. And with your app, you can control the kind of treatment you will provide to yourself. The idea, again, is to hide the technology inside the luxury feel of this kind of shoes, made in Italy in this case. The app is connected via Bluetooth. Then there is also an AI machine learning system that will understand when you need the treatment. You basically can control and activate everything. You can pair the shoes like you're pairing your earphones, so exactly the same. And you can also set if you want just to work with them or not. I've made other startups, many other projects. In this case, we're talking about health tech. We're bringing something that can help people, in this case people with cardiovascular diseases, to live a better life or to prevent very serious damages or diseases. So that's what is motivating me. Let's say that we had a very good validation in Italy and in UAE, where we're based, for the fashion tech part. We were looking for an health tech validation, and we look at Wildcatters like the best place. We are in US, so it's the best place and the right path to follow for us. This is a FemTech project, so the first addressable market. But then we want to move also to male shoes, safety shoes, sports shoes. We think that we can approach different industries, bringing the same value. Let's say connecting technology with luxury, with wellness into a unique, amazing product.